Have you ever wondered why the iconic car brand Audi was born in a small town like Zwickau? Today, we're diving deep into the history of how this city became home to one of Germany's major industrial powerhouses. In 1909, August Horsch, driven by his passion for automobiles, established a new company in Zwickau. The town's strategic location and industrial capabilities made it an ideal birthplace for what would become Audi. Horsch founded August Horsch Automobilwerke GmbHs, but a trademark infringement led him to change the company name. In 1910, he chose the Latin word for his name, Audi, meaning to listen. The museum in Zwickau today is housed within the former factory where Audi was born. It's owned jointly by Audi AG and the town of Zwickau, where Audi AG and the town of Zwickau, highlighting its historical significance. Walking through Audistrasse in Zwickau, you're literally walking on the streets where Audi's first factory stood. This street symbolizes the birth of a multi-billion-dollar car maker. Zwickau is not just the birthplace, but also remains Audi's main production site. The town's deep connection to the automobile industry has made it a Astkoch, significant location in German automotive history. From its humble beginnings in Zwickau, Audi has grown into one of Germany's largest car manufacturers, known worldwide for Vorsprung durch Technik, or advancement through technology. So there you have it, Zwickau's pivotal role in the birth and growth of Audi. What surprised you most about this story? Let me know in the comment